Salesforce.com is well known for its customer relationship management abilities, tracking leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities, or even working within a platform environment to build out any kind of custom object. However, up until recently, it wasn't very good at delivering quotes and quotations that you could send out to customers. You would have to rely on mail merges or partner products. However, with the new release of Salesforce, you can now create your own quotes. In order to do so, I'm going to go into my setup area. And under Customize, I can see Quotes with a new next to it. So before I can use them, I need to set it up. I hit Settings, and I just simply click Enable Quotes and hit Save. Now that that is done, I can add this to my opportunity page layout, and my quote section will now appear on that opportunity. I suggest that you go through some of the help and training, which you can access here in Help for this page, but we can now go right in and have a look at this new quotes object. Now, because the quotes are set up exactly as any other object in Salesforce, it is subject to the exact same rules. So I can have a look at a particular quote, go in to generate a new quote, and there's a default template that you'll get right out of the box with Salesforce. So I can go in, create a new quote, call it test, put in expiration date, but I can drag and drop anything off this screen as I'll show you in a moment. So when I create this brand new quote, I can generate directly into PDF, or, as we can see here, there's a Start Sync area. So if I go into my opportunity and say add in a new line item, I'm going to be able to synchronize with this quote so that I can add on new line items into this particular quote. I'm going to go ahead and generate a new PDF. It will show me exactly what we've created. So this is a very basic template that you'll get out of the box. You can see that I have my address, my email, my information, and then of course the products, list price, sales quantity, which I can now either save directly to the quote or I can save an email directly out to one of my customers. If I select the Save an Email, it's going to preview and then allow me to use any template that we've created. If you're not familiar with Salesforce templates, have a look at Help for this page and you can learn how to create your own. So from here, I can select a template that I'd like to send. It's automatically going to relate this out to the quote and send out that PDF right to my customer. Now, as I mentioned, the quote object is just like any other object in Salesforce. If I go back into the setup area, now when I look at quotes, I can see all of the related fields, lookup filters, validation rules, everything that goes with any other object within Salesforce. So I can now go in, have a look at, for example, my page layouts. Right now I only have one quote layout, but I can very easily create another one. When I go into editing this layout, you can see that I can now very easily drag and drop information. I can create new sections, everything that you would normally do when you're editing any other object. If I wanted to go in and have a look at my templates, I can very easily create a brand new template or deactivate. And again, when it comes to information about this, I would go in and have a look at the Quotes Template Editor video that'll walk you through. It's only a minute and a half long. Creating a new template, simply hit New, and now I can create this based on any existing template and start to drag and drop to create these new fields. You'll notice on the left here that I can link this to accounts, opportunities, and take fields from any related item to this particular quote, making it very easy to customize, very simple to organize, and like everything else within Salesforce, is built on the platform and follows all of the rules for field security, for access, and for organization-wide defaults. If I go back to my opportunity, I can see that quote has been added. I know exactly how many quotes have been sent out, maybe if they've expired. I can see when I created it, and you can always track the newest quotes that are going out, which of course we can then drill into, view, synchronize, or email.